In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable notifications on your channel in Slack Workspace. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so the best way to communicate is by sending messages. However, if you want to receive messages on your channel on time, you need to go ahead and enable notifications. To enable notifications is pretty simple. Just head over to channels here. I'm here on this channel, and then click on top here, and from here you can see notifications are not enabled. To enable notifications, go ahead and click on enable notifications and click on allow notifications here. Now this setting will go ahead and enable notifications on all incoming messages on your channel. So that's how you can enable notifications on your channel in Slack Workspace. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.